bite me, okay? I'm really scared of biting by you. Because you have a problem on your skin of head and around the ears. But you are so adorable. Piggy-eyed, aren't you? I have fed this cat since yesterday night around 10 p.m. So cute. But actually, see how he bit my back of left hand, which made me feel scary because if they are sick of rabies develop, it's not good 100%. But it's okay. She looks normal. Oh, do you wanna come to my house and stay with my lovely cat Pino? Okay, let's see how she lives more.